We have just returned from our trip today to the crash site. It was our third day in a row where we had access to the crash site unhindered. It was a very fast access this morning, and we brought over 100 experts onto the site where work has been completed today, and we look forward to a good day at another site tomorrow.
Мы получили очень быстрый доступ сегодня. С нами были.
The work today was conducted at the main crash site at the location that is known as the chicken farm for the whole day. And this was the second day that the experts were on that site. They continued to collect body parts, which they found today as well, which they took back to their logistical base in Kharkiv, which then will be brought together and flown to the Netherlands to be identified there in a special center. Yes, there is a procedure for the team, but also for the experts that has been talked through. This is contingency planning. It is, of course, as you will understand, a difficult process with more than 100 individuals on the field and over 20 cars. But that has been talked through, and we have a specific procedure in place should there be a immediate danger to the site that we leave. Of course, it is our intention to leave before we would eventually be hit by anything directly, and therefore we also have this measurement. If the shelling comes closer, we then not wait until it actually hits us, so we leave before it actually happens.